Okay, we're going to take just a quick look at simplifying some radical expressions. And the first one I want to look at is the square root of x to the 10th. We talked about how the square root, or that radical, really is just x to the 10th to the 1/2 power. Square root and a 1/2 power, those mean the same thing. So when we use our exponent rules for a power to a power, the power rule just says multiply. So 10 times a half is x to the 5th. Okay. Gets just a little bit more difficult when you run into something like the square root of x to the 19th. Up here we just divided by 2. This one you've got to break apart into two different radicals multiplied by each other. So I'll show just a little bit of work and say 19. The closest even number to 19 is 18. So I rewrite x to the 19th as x to the 18th times x. We'll apply our product rule for radicals, that the radical of x to the 18th times x is the same thing as the radical x to the 18th times the radical x. We can actually break that apart into two different radicals multiplied by each other. Now from here, this is easy. X to the 18th, the square root, just divide 18 by 2 and get x to the 9th times the radical x.